Scorching hot, hot body, hot heart, this kind of weather. The whole city is scorching, everything is tingling, tingling and tingling, tingling and tingling. Are you all wet? The splashing sound, the rushing sound, the sighing sound, the sounds of happiness are coming. Help erase the heat from our bodies and all the worries will disappear. Today no one is giving up. Water guns are our weapons. Getting wet doesn't matter as long as it's satisfying. Tie off foreign, everyone gets wet. There are no boundaries today. Squeezing together, crowding together. The more crowded, the more fun, the wetter. My heart is beating non-stop because Songkran is calling us out there. Splash to the fullest, don't stop. Get wet deep into your heart. Oh, water splashes cool in all of Thailand. This is the happiness that will never die. Splash away, don't be afraid of anyone. All ages come with your hearts. Oh, love this great tradition, this Songkran. We are one. Foreigners, Chinese, Thais, or anyone else come. No language, just water splashed on each other. Smiles replace every word of understanding. The whole world unites, here the music is loud, impacting our hearts. Sway along without thinking about anything. Even getting completely soaked isn't enough. The day isn't over yet. Get wet, get tired, keep going. Just let there be no sadness today. Let everything slip away and splash with all your might. Splash to the fullest, don't stop. Get wet deep into your heart. Oh, water splashes cool in all of Thailand. This is the happiness that will never die. Splash away, don't be afraid of anyone. All ages come with your hearts. Oh, love this great tradition, this Songkran. We are one. Let go of any stress, forget any sorrow. A bowl of water washes away all negativity. All that's left is the sound of our frenzied hearts. Splash away, no holding back. Let the world remember that Thailand is never lonely.